We see Davao with a 4 out, 1 in action. Other side.
Walang nagawa yung depensa. Tinignan na lang. Costa. That's good.
Side ball screen. Another pop 3 for Acosta.
Now. Oh, that's a good drive coming from Acosta.
Para dito sa Bicol Spicy Oragons, but Acosta running the floor! It's an 11-point ball game.
And again,
Almost a steal. Acosta, pull-up jumper. Finally for Maki. Yes, nag-gamble doon si 10 points ang hinahabol nila. Maki makes his move. What a move by Acosta. Yes, ang ganda ng timing ng drive niya. Chinempo niya sa pagmuntik pa. Kumambak itong Nueva Ecija Slashers. But nonetheless, Manila City Stars winning that. Tignan natin yung napakagandang pass doon ni Mangas. And Acosta not settling for the jumper, deciding to attack the paint. Yes, kasi nakita niya si JP De La. Muntik na yun! Good pass to Acosta! Look at that, the juggernaut acknowledging na open itong si Maki Acosta and the native of
Dipolog, coach,
Yes,
no? Ng mga super fans natin dyan.
Yes.
Binaha. At syempre sa amin din.
Running into the pass break, biglang magkakat ng ganon.
And ako, halftime here. Alcoriza to strong.
Oh!
Acosta with a perfect jumper. Eksaktong-eksakto yung pwesto itong si Maki Acosta to put back that one. 2 quarters. And now let's go for this highlight. Walang iba. Maki Acosta. 12 points, 4 rebounds, and 1 block on his first 20 minutes of ball game.
That's right, napakainit agad ni Maki Acosta rito. Play!
Parang pagod na din, coach.
Right, binibigyan niya ng breather and yung matchup din.
Acosta para sa 3. So you can see the pass coming from Marcia Arellano. Yan ang ating PSL super shot of the game for Maki Acosta. That's the... Yes, Jan Colina. Shoutout sa inyo dyan, brother, sa mga taga Cavite dyan. As we can see, Acosta spinning.
Hindi pa rin siya tapos dito. What a game being this.
Caballero misses that one.
Oy, yun, kala ko, di nakita si Maki Acosta ron. Libreng-libre.
Yes, and Acosta with that open.
Being top scorer of the team, no, Coach Pancho.
That's right.
As Acosta, welcome back, Maki! To the 2. Best wanted to go 2 for 2. Mintis yan, but Acosta cherry picking underneath. But give credit to Alfred Gayon. Resetting for Manila. Acosta, no hesitation, and that is good for Maki Acosta.
Averaging almost 12 points a game. 6 rebounds. 1.4 assists. 1 blocks per game at 1 steals. So, all-around performance. 1 for his team. Ganyan yung leadership na isang Marcia Arellano. And Maki Acosta. Love Nation, balik ulit sa kalamangan ng isa.
Acosta
Ayun ulit.
still in attack mode.
Right. Nagsastruggle siya madalas ngayon sa first half. Pagdating ng second half, doon naman siya talaga nagpapakita. Pero ito, wala pa rin hinto si Maki Acosta.
59. Acosta. Oh, so free. No one to defend.
That's how versatile itong si Maki.
And we know this Manila City Stars.
Oo.
Comeback guys to eh. Lalabas for good space. Oh, up and under. Second offensive rebound for Maki Acosta.
Wow. Maki Acosta starting to work.
Isa still
Kumukonekta.
scoreless. Acosta, pangatlong offensive rebound.
For City Stars.
Tignan natin ulit yung mintis ni Alcoriza. Putback para kay Maki Acosta, ang ating super grab of the game. Vince Doroteo pulls the trigger. Alcoriza with his high
10
rebound.
seconds.
They got the numbers. Acosta. Oh, 8 straight points. Oh, 3-pointer for Maki Acosta. February, March, April, May. Sa probinsya, sa Cebu. Ang daming piyesta.
And again, feeling no pressure. And ano yung ARS on Pedro?
Tignan natin ulit. A quick pass coming from Jason Mancao to his big man, Maki.
Tata Bautista, kaya lang may bantay. Pero Maki Acosta. There's
Arellano fires. And Acosta grabs that offensive rebound.
this time Maki Acosta. Home alone.
Bakit ang hinahabol dito? Tignan natin ang ating PSL super play of the game. for Maki Acosta. Tumakbo doon.
Grabe, what a start on the second half. What a second half actually for Juan Munti. And yun na nga, sabi nga ni Marian, di ba, kailangan na kailangan naman nila itong si Marcy Arellano. Pero what a play by Arellano and Acosta. Eye in the sky. They need...
With a fake one-hander. No good. He gets his own miss. Acosta again. Second try. Third try is good for Maki Acosta. Tabla na, Enzo. Tabla na.
Much needed basket. Pwedeng i-kick out niya sa sipag. Etong rebound na to. 3 offensive rebounds for Maki. And finally, he gets the basket. Nagpapadlang pala na stats si Acosta dun.
2 beses nagpalit ng bantay doon itong si Maki.
And seryoso siya. Alam niya, kailangan niyang maganda yung rotation niya dahil nga 8 players lang sila. But napakagandang setup.
May rumor, bumalik na ba?
Bumalik na.
Oo. At ngayon, Acosta, bumalik na din.
Oo. Sa kanino, 2-point lead na lang ang kalamangan naman nila.
Quick 3-pointer ang binitawan, pero sinagot naman ni Mac.
Di nga pandesal parang ano na yung...
Pwedeng pantulak no?
Oo.
Walang problema, pero ito, Acosta, walang problema din. De La Cruz stopped it. And Acosta with that rim run.
And yan na, here.
Ito yung rebound earlier, the forward pass ni Alan Mangaha. Siya natin super assist of the quarter represented by Manila Bank.
Super move of the game atid sa atin ng Wins here. Ito yung fake kanina ni Maki Acosta. Kita yung cycling shorts.
Yeah. Evi de la Cruz.
What a fake for Alan Mangahas. Attracting two defender.
Galing dito. And you're leading the league in scoring. That speaks for yourself. But Maki 4. Acosta, 3-pointer. That's the first triple of Maki Acosta in this ball game.
Wow. Merong
He's at the kick. Acosta, 3-pointer. It's good! Pangalawa na yan ni Maki Acosta. Delivered from Tondo to the native of Santa Ana.
Yes.
Dito, they're down by 1. Acosta, good seal underneath, and he takes advantage of the mismatch.
Yes, easy back. You can defend, especially Manila City Stars, because the lack of size.
Acosta, 3-pointer. That is big for the native of Santa Ana, Manila, Maki Acosta.
Wow, that's over the outstretched arms of James Abawag,
Kagaya ni Marcy Arellano, still effective for Manila City Stars, di ba?
Yes. Ito, ngayon lang nakatanggap sa post si Maki.
4. Acosta, 3-pointer. That's the first triple of Maki Acosta in this ball game.
Wow. Merong
He's at the kick. Acosta, 3-pointer. It's good! Pangalawa na yan ni Maki Acosta. Delivered from Tondo to the native of Santa Ana.
Yes.
Kagaya ni Marcy Arellano, still effective for Manila City Stars, di ba?
Yes. Ito, ngayon lang nakatanggap sa post si Maki.
Dito, they're down by 1. Acosta, good seal underneath, and he takes advantage of the mismatch.
Yes, easy back. Galing dito. And you're leading the league in scoring. That speaks for yourself.
But
Tumira ng 3-pointers.
Precisely.
Just like this guy.
Nako, yan. Yan din. Maki Acosta together. Coach Pancho. The spin for Maki Acosta. The scoop inside and it bounce.
Sabi. So they should take advantage of that. Kailangan nila maka-convert ng basket dito. Dalawa pa yung sumabay kay Maki Acosta ron.
Grabe, wala pa kayo sa depensa. Itong si Maki Acosta hit nitong San Juan Kings. This guy leading this team with the double-double numbers. Maki Acosta, 14 points, 10 rebounds with a single assist.
Yes, Maki Acosta starting to work in this third quarter, and that is why nagkaroon ng comeback itong Manila City Stars. Dalawang to.
Totoo. But uy, Acosta, libre naman. Yan, ito tignan natin ulit. Itong cut kanina nitong si Acosta. Wala nang depensa doon. Itong si